Hello everyone, thank you all for joining me today at Web Hosting Throne. You can find me at webhostingthrone.com. Today we are going to be talking about how to install WordPress plugins. It is a very simple process. So WordPress plugins came about for those who wanted to use functionality on their blog. Say for instance, if you wanted to rate a post, if you wanted to, the 5-star rating system or whatever, you wanted to rate something that you had thoughts about, or say for instance, if you wanted to do different things like different functional, the background of a website, as far as search engine optimization, things like that, of that nature, using Google Analytics. You have plugins for all types of things. If you wanted to trace your web traffic, track your web traffic, the people who's coming into your website to see what you have, and then you record the information. How many people who's coming onto your website? You would use plugins for all of that stuff. So that is what plugins are. Plugins, you don't have to be a computer programmer now in order to apply functionality to your blog, because there are several plugins for you to use and install to your blog within a minute or two. So let's see what these plugins are. For instance, let me show you the installed plugins I have on my blog. So you don't need any computer programming knowledge to install plugins. See, as I have Google XML sitemaps. I have several things like I don't have much plugins because I don't feel like I need a lot of plugins. I have WP hide posts in case I wanted to not show a post on the front page after publishing it. I can just simply check WP hide post when I'm posting let me show you posts. For instance, if I wanted to hide a post, WP hide posts can be found here at the bottom. You see where it says hide on the front page? I can press hide on the front page and it wouldn't show up on the front page of my blog once I publish the post. So that's how plugins work. They're very, very, very useful. And I do suggest you use them. Anyhow, let me show you how to install them. So all you have to do is go to plugins, press add new. Okay, and you have a list of plugins right here. A list of plugins of your choice. Like for instance, WP Super Cache. It says a very fast caching engine for WordPress that produces static HTML files. So if you want to install that, and most people do, install WP Super Cache. Install it. And it says installed. And just press activate. And that's how you do it right there. That's how you install a plugin. Let me see, installed plugins. I'm going to show you that it has been installed properly. Here it goes right here. You can look at the settings and you can deactivate it if you no longer want to use it. So let's go through this again. Let's go to add new. I'm going to show you something else that you can do before you install the plugin. Let's say if I wanted to install something, let me see. And you can also look at the popular ones. Check out the popular ones, the one that has the most, probably the most downloads, and recommended by users. The favorites, you can go to the favorites category, check out the favorites. Go to premium. The premium category means you have to pay for certain let me see, certain plugins. Okay, like you said, PayPal Pro credit card, gateway plugin, and let me see, you have several of them. So if you want to purchase a plugin, or you want to see plugins that has great functionality that they're placing on the market for you to purchase, go ahead and check them out. Anyhow, let's go back. I'm going to show you something, because a lot of people who do want to use a plugin, they wouldn't know how to use a plugin once they have installed it and activated it. Let me show you how to learn how find the place where you get the documentation, you receive the documentation to use it, on how to use the plugin, the product. Let me see. Let me find a good one. Popular. I'm going to go to popular. Okay, the contact form. Okay, let's see how you can pop it up. You can just click on the link, and it'll show you how to install it, and show the description of it, what it is that you just clicked on, what it is that you're watching here, what you're reading here. Installation. It shows you the installation, how to install the plugin. It shows you the facts, change logs, screenshots. It even gives you screenshots of how the plugin looks. It gives you reviews of people, their thoughts on the plugin. And then after you've been satisfied, if you are satisfied with what you see, just press install now. Okay, and just look at the documentation, check out the documentation before you install it, so you won't be confused on any misrepresentation of the product that you didn't figure out. So it's everything is described here, everything is found here. Just review everything. Okay, and then after that, press install and activate. All right, that is the conclusion of this particular tutorial. My name is Jermaine. Thank you all for joining me. If you can, go ahead and like or subscribe to this post, subscribe to this channel, or you can find me on Web Hosting Throne or webhostingthrone.com. You can just Google me, Web Hosting Throne, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for joining me.